Fascism's not welcome here. We choose love instead of fear. Fascism's not welcome here. We choose love.
Hell, you could pay me enough to fuck Donald Trump.
Yeah. That's true. Oh, sorry.
Look excited.
Wow. Massive.
Look excited.
Wow. Massive.
Radical terrorists committed violent acts against people who are important members of our society, important leaders, and they wanted to do that to keep us from
else it takes. And so my call to action right now is different from what it would have been. But my call to action is to keep showing up. Come back, keep coming back. We cannot be deterred. We have to keep building this nonviolent, peaceful, the fact that this program is different from what we designed, I still want to give some thanks. I want to thank the volunteers that made this happen.